everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Hotmart account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in hotmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Hotmart. If you're logged into your Hotmart account and you'd like to log out of the platform, then all you need to do is to click on your profile icon at the top right and click on the leave button. But remember that you must remember your credentials to log in back to your account. While logging in, you'll need to type in your email followed by your password or select the Facebook option to sign in and access your account. That is how you'll be able to log out of your Hotmart account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.